Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make these 3 table arrangements that you can use for a wedding or when friends come over for dinner. A really nice way to decorate a table that is quite cheap is you can get some jars and decorate them slightly. So for this one I have put a bow on here, this one I put some ribbon and added a jewel, added some jewellery, and then for this one, for example, this is just a bracelet, and then to cover this bit at the top I have just done like this. I put a little bit of flower food in each jar to help the water stay clear and to help the flowers last longer. The flowers that I've chosen to use for these arrangements are Gypsophila, Aster, roses, and Laryngium. And these arrangements are really simple. I just place the flowers into the jar. Making sure they're the correct heights. And you can see that's already starting to take shape. And make sure that there's no leaves left on the stems where it's going into the water. I'd add probably a bit more aster into this one. I'm finishing off with some roses here. And that's probably all I would use. Or I might just add maybe just a few more asters here. And there you have your 3 arrangements in jars. Thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to see any more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.